In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your ConvertKit plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. If you're using ConvertKit for your email marketing needs, you might find that your current plan doesn't quite fit your requirements anymore. Maybe you've reduced your subscriber list, or perhaps your business model has shifted. Whatever the reason, downgrading your plan can save you some money and still provide you with the features you need to keep in touch with your audience. First things first, you want to log into your ConvertKit account. If you're anything like me, you probably have a few different accounts for different platforms. Just take a moment to locate your login credentials and get into your dashboard. Once you're in, you're going to want to head over to the top right corner of your screen, where you will find your profile icon. Simply give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, look for the option that says Account Settings. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and click on that. Now on this page, you should see several tabs. Don't get overwhelmed. You're looking for the Billing tab. Click it, and you will be directed to the section where you can manage your billing details and subscription plan. Now under the subscription section, you'll see the current plan you're subscribed to. There might be a button or a link that says Change Plan or Manage Plan. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can see all the different plans available. You might notice that there are options that offer fewer features at a lower price. Take a moment to review these options and consider the features that are absolutely necessary for your business. Once you have decided which plan suits you better, select the desired plan. After this, there is usually a confirmation step where you'll need to reconfirm your choice. This could take the form of a simple pop-up asking if you're sure you want to downgrade your plan. It's a good practice to take a moment to double-check the features of the new plan to confirm that it meets your needs. After confirming your new plan, you might have to update your payment information if there's any change in the billing amount. Make sure that your payment information is accurate to avoid any interruptions in your service. Once that's done, you'll be led to a final page informing you about the successful change in your subscription plan. You might even receive a confirmation email outlining the changes made. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded your ConvertKit plan. Just remember, downgrading your plan doesn't mean you are losing access to ConvertKit. You still have all the essential tools to connect with your audience and run your email campaigns effectively. Before I wrap up, I'd like to emphasize the importance of revisiting your subscription regularly. As your business evolves, so do your needs. Just because you've downgraded doesn't mean you cannot upgrade in the future. ConvertKit makes it easy to switch plans, whether you're looking to scale back or expand your services as your audience grows. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. I appreciate you joining me today, and I hope to bring you more helpful tips and tricks for your email marketing journey. Happy emailing!